The recent crypto crash and this brutal bear market have sent most altcoins to new yearly lows. But a few tokens not only survived, they pumped. One of those rare winners is S token from the Sonic blockchain, which is aiming to be the next layer 1. Sonic, formerly known as Fantom, just hit a massive almost $2 billion market cap only 4 months after launch. No wonder everyone is talking about it right now. Let's get into it. But as always, this video is not a financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. Always do your own research before investing. First, let's rewind a bit. Fantom at one point was one of the most popular blockchains out there. Fast transactions, super low fees compared to Ethereum, and DeFi ecosystem with major players like Tomt Finance. But as the year went on, Fantom fell behind newer, faster chains, and we saw the ecosystem slowly fade away. The meme market didn't help either, and even Fantom's creator Andrew Crunch stepped away. This left Fantom in a pretty rough spot, a ghost chain barely hanging on. But then something big happened. Andrew Crunch returned, and with it, the rebranding of Fantom into the Sonic chain. So what's different about Sonic? First of all, we are talking about 10,000 TPS, meaning transactions per second. For context, Ethereum struggles to hit 100 TPS, while Solana, one of the fastest chains in the space, average about 3,000 TPS. With Sonic 10,000 TPS, we're looking at 3 times the speed on Solana, and that's huge for entire DeFi ecosystem. But it's not just the tech, it's the way Sonic speed is shaping the dApps on the chain. Some existing dApps had to upgrade their system just to keep up with the blazing speed of Sonic's blockchain. And that's a good thing. It means that dApps can now build products that take full advantage of this high-speed environment, making the entire ecosystem even more powerful. Now, let's talk about the growth. In just 4 months, Sonic market cap is almost $2 billion, and that's a huge milestone for any blockchain. In fact, Sonic market cap has been growing exponentially. It went from 180 million in the first month to more than 600 million the next month, and now it's on the track to hit maybe even $2.5 billion, even $3 billion market cap. But that's not all. Sonic is doing more than just growing with its ecosystem. Cross-chain activity has been massive, pulling liquidity from other chains like Avalanche, Optimism, and Bearchain. This means that users from all over the crypto world are flocking to Sonic for its speed, low fees, and high returns. So how did Sonic become so big so fast? It all comes down to Andrew Crunch's legendary airdrop strategy. The 200 million airdrop is not something you want to miss out on. Here's how it works. Sonic is giving away 200 million S tokens to users of the chain. That's a 200 million drop, and the best part, it's likely to go even higher if the market turns bullish again. But how do you maximize your share of the airdrop? Well, Sonic has a point-based system that rewards users for being active on the chain. There are 3 types of points you can collect. Passive points, simply hold whitelisted assets in your wallet. Activity points, deploy those assets across 130 plus dApp to earn activity points. And lastly, app points, gems. Some dApps distribute additional points that can be redeemed for S tokens. The feedback loop is insane. People farm the airdrop, content creators talk about it, more people join, and it keeps growing. This viral cycle has led to massive community growth and attention, making Sonic one of the hottest projects in the space right now. And now let's dive a little bit deeper into the technology behind Sonic. As I mentioned earlier, Sonic uses the direct acyclic graph DAX system, which allows it to handle 10,000 TPS with minimal latency. Unlike traditional blockchains, Sonic doesn't need to wait for blocks to be verified one after another, which is a game changer for scalability. But the real breakthrough here is the customizability of Sonic ecosystem. Developers can adjust the transaction fee structure, giving them more flexibility to create the types of the centralized application that best suits their needs. In fact, Sonic design is developer first, which has led to the rapid growth we're seeing in the ecosystem today. The team has made it clear that they want to incentivize developers to build on the Sonic ecosystem. How? By giving them 90% of the transaction fees. That's right, the majority of the fee generated on the blockchain will be sent to the developers, creating a more sustainable and thriving ecosystem for DeFi protocols and decentralized applications. So you may ask, what's next for Sonic? With cross-chain activity continuing to rise as more dApps join the ecosystem, we could see even more adoption in the coming months. If Sonic TVL keeps growing at this rate, it might not be long before it starts challenging some of the top layer 1 blockchain for supremacy. And of course, the S token price action will be crucial to watch. As the token gets more utility across the ecosystem and continues to be rewarded through the airdrop system, there's a good chance the price will reflect that growing adoption. Could we see 10x gains in the near future? Possibly, but as always, this is just speculation and you should always do your own research. So what do you think about Sonic and its massive growth? Are you excited to see where this project goes next, or are you still a bit cautious? Let me know throughout in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to click that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.